Suppose you have a design system in Figma and want to use it to create a prototype in Claude Code. There are a few ways you can accomplish it. First, there is a conventional way. You can copy a link to Figma file with your design system, jump to Claude Code, paste the link to the prompt field, and type a prompt. Use this design system to build a sign-up page. This is okay, but not perfect, because Claude will likely have a limited understanding of how your design system works. It will make many assumptions when crafting your design, and as a result, it will create a very generic design. There is a better way to use your Figma design system in Claude Code, and this approach is about creating better context for Claude Code, and we will achieve it by creating skills for using your design system. In fact, we will create two skills, one for styles and another for components. The first step is the same. Copy the link to your design system in Figma. Paste the link to Claude Code prompt window, and now is the magic part. Type the prompt, write a specification for using Figma tokens, typography, color, and spacing, and paste it into a table on this page. I will also describe specific columns that this table should have. Notice the last one, when to avoid using this style. This can be super valuable as it will prevent AI from incorrect usage of styles. Submit the prompt and you will see Claude access Figma to do the job. At this step, I want to mention that you need to have Figma MCP connected because Claude Code will use Figma methods to access the data from your Figma files. Once the task is finished, you will see a nice summary with the number of tokens AI analyzed. And if you jump to Figma file, you will see the table that Claude generated for you. I recommend that you review this table and fix any issues you can find. It might take an hour or so to fine-tune the table, but you will get a very detailed and relevant description of the styles you use, along with the rules on how AI should use them. And you can see that the table is in the same Figma file with your design system elements. Now, the second step. We need to create a Claude skill that will use this information to teach Claude how to apply styles to your design. To do that, copy the link to the Figma file with your design system and the table Claude generated for you, paste it into the Claude prompt window, and type the prompt. No need to memorize this prompt. I will leave a link to this prompt in the description. What's more important is what the prompt does. It asks Claude to review the tokens in Figma file and build a skill that will help Claude use these tokens when crafting UI. The process of building skill takes a couple of minutes. And at the end, you will see a nice skill MD file that Claude generated for you. This skill contains specific instructions on how to use the styles from your design system. It is tailored to your specific design system. And this is what makes it super valuable and relevant to your organization. Let's download this skill and import it to Claude Code. Jump to Customization, Skills, add a new skill, and upload the archive with the skill. And now you see the skill design token in the preview window. We reached the midpoint of our journey. Now it's time to create a skill for using UI components. To do that, jump back to Figma, and in Figma I suggest to do this. Organize the Figma pages with components that serve the same functional purpose into groups. For example, I will create a group called Controls, and add all controls like buttons, accordions to this group. This organization will help AI to analyze and make sense of your design system. I will also add a short description for the group with information on what it includes. And now write a description of individual component, such as button. By the way, I'm using a simple design system, which is an open source design system, and it comes with a nice description of components. So I will just fine-tune this description a bit to streamline AI work. And after that, let's copy the link to Figma file, jump to Claude Code, paste the link to Figma file, and ask Claude to analyze the components and create a skill for components usage. Similar to styles, it will take a few minutes for Claude to do the job. And the larger the system is, the more time it will take. And after a short wait time, we'll have a dedicated skill for using components in our design system. Another moment that I want to highlight is that if you are dealing with a complex design system, You might want to create dedicated skills for using specific components. For example, a dedicated Claude skill for using buttons in your design system. But in my case, this might be too much for simple design system. We've got our skill, and this time Claude added it to the list of skills we have in our Claude environment. Let's double check that. Jump to customization, and now we have a design system component skill and design tokens we've created before. Time to test our design system skills. Jump to Claude Code, select Code tab, and write this prompt. Notice that I'm referencing the skills by their names to make sure Claude will trigger them. And after a short wait time, we've got this sign-up form. It was created using the styles and components from our design system. Looks nice and works nicely. And that's all. Let me know what you think about this approach of using the design system from Figma in Claude Code. Thank you.